Base. Something from which other things extend, a foundation. The starting point of a logical deduction or thought, basis. A permanent structure for housing military personnel and material. The place where decisions for an organization are made, headquarters. Cooking, painting, pharmacy, a basic but essential component or ingredient. A substance used as a mordant in dyeing. Cosmetics, foundation, a cosmetic cream to make the face appear uniform. Chemistry, any of a class of generally water-soluble compounds, having bitter taste, that turn red litmus blue, and react with acids to form salts. Important areas in games and sports. Architecture, the lowermost part of a column, between the shaft and the pedestal or pavement. Biology, biochemistry, a nucleotide's nucleobase in the context of a DNA or RNA biopolymer. Botany, the end of a leaf, petal, or similar organ where it is attached to its support. Electronics, the name of the controlling terminal of a bipolar transistor, BJT. Geometry, the lowest side of a in a triangle or other polygon, or the lowest face of a cone, pyramid, or other polyhedron laid flat. Heraldry, the lowest third of a shield or escutcheon. Heraldry, the lower part of the field. See escutcheon. Mathematics, a number raised to the power of an exponent. Mathematics, synonym of radix. Topology, the set of sets from which a topology is generated. Topology, a topological space, looked at in relation to one of its covering spaces, fibrations, or bundles. Group theory, a sequence of elements not jointly stabilized by any non-trivial group element. Acrobatics, cheerleading, in hand-to-hand balance, the person who supports the flyer, the person that remains in contact with the ground. Linguistics, a morpheme, or morphemes, that serves as a basic foundation on which affixes can be attached. Music, dated form of bass. Military, historical, the smallest kind of cannon. Archaic, the housing of a horse. Historical, in the plural, a kind of skirt, often of velvet or brocade, but sometimes of mailed armor, which hung from the middle to about the knees, or lower. Obsolete, the lower part of a robe or petticoat. Obsolete, an apron. A line in a survey which, being accurately determined in length and position, serves as the origin from which to compute the distances and positions of any points or objects connected with it by a system of triangles. Politics, a group of voters who almost always support a single party's candidates for elected office. Marxism, the forces and relations of production that produce the necessities and amenities of life. A material that holds paint or other materials together, a binder. Aviation, short for base leg. Transitive, to give as its foundation or starting point, to lay the foundation of. Transitive, to be located, at a particular place. Acrobatics, cheerleading, to act as a base, to be the person supporting the flyer. Obsolete, low in height, short. Low in place or position. Obsolete, of low value or degree. Archaic, of low social standing or rank, vulgar, common. Morally reprehensible, immoral, cowardly. Now rare, inferior, unworthy, of poor quality. Designating those metals which are not classed as precious or noble. alloyed with inferior metal, debased. Obsolete, of illegitimate birth, bastard. Not classical or correct. Obsolete form of base. Law, not held by honorable service. Now chiefly U.S., historical, the game of prisoners' bars. From 15th c. Alternative form of base. B. A. S. E. Base.